Good evening, students. I am going to handle the class on the topic Fundamentals of CNC Systems. CNC means Computer Numerical Control. It has been evolved from the numerical control machines. In the earlier days, what the machine is to do. In the earlier days, the operator has to perform all the functions on the machine tools. He has to switch on the spindle and he has to operate the coolant on and off functions and tool movements. Everything was handled by the human operator. So there was a need to make an automatic system. So in the year 1949, US Air Force asked Massachusetts Institute of Technology to develop a numerically controlled machine. So in 1952, a numerically controlled machine was invented. Okay, in the 1952, that machine was invented and which was used by a punched tape reader. It was read by the instructions are automatically sent to the NC machine by punched tape reader. Okay. So the instructions are stored on a punched tape and they were fed into the machine. So the numerical control machines is a machine in which all the operations are controlled by part programs which consist of numbers, letters and symbols. Part program consists of numbers, letters and symbols which in turn they are converted into binary form and which can be read by the encoder. Okay, the machine control unit encode the numbers, letters and symbols and it converts it into useful instructions. The part programs are otherwise called manual part programming because the part programs are developed without the help of computer. So they are called as manual part programming. In the manual part programming, why they are called as part programming? Why they have not been called as part programs? It is different from programs in the sense that the output of this part program is a part. So they are called as part programming. Nowadays, computer assisted part programmings are available like APT. Some softwares are available to make the part programs directly from the part drawings. The main advantage of NC system over the conventional machine tools is its accuracy. It has a greater accuracy in the order of 1 micron. Okay, 1 micron accuracy, which cannot be possible by ordinary machine tools. And one more major advantage is in the NC machine systems, it can be used for very complex objects. It can be used for making very complex objects which cannot be produced by ordinary machines because ordinary machines need special tools. But in the CNC machines, without using any special tools, using ordinary tools, the parts can be made. So the use of farm tools and use of NC, use of special tools results in high tooling cost, whereas in NC systems the tooling cost can be reduced. However, in the NC systems the cost of NC system is highly expensive compared to the ordinary machine tools because it comprises mainly 3 parts. NC system consists of 3 parts. One is the input, then processor and the output. That is, the input is a part programs, and the part programs are fed into the machine control unit, and the machine control from the machine control unit it sends information to the machine tools to produce a part, to manufacture a part. Okay, the machine control unit consists of 2 parts. One is the data processing unit, another one is a control loops unit. The data processing unit encodes the program, that is, it reads the program and it decodes into commands. The control loops unit sends signal to the machine control unit and it operates the drive motors. There are several drive motors are available, servo motors, stepper motors, and operates the drive motors to make a particular part. Okay. So the part program, the part programs are they are already I have told that the part programs are made up of letters, symbols, and codes. They are part programs uses coded information to make a part. So part programs in the earlier CNC machines, the part programs are made up of punch tape and a magnetic tape reader. Part programs and magnetic tape reader. A magnetic tape reader is just like the cassette. Okay, punch tape is nothing but in a tape they are punch holes, and according to the holes the information is read. But nowadays there was a computer console. That is, a computer console means there is a keyboard like structure is present in the computer console, and this console there is a manual data input, MDI, it is called MDI. We have to provide manual data input in the CNC control machine tool. Nowadays it is connected to the computer via RS-232C communication cable. Okay. It was in the NC machine we have the punch tape and the magnetic tape reader, whereas in the computer numerical control systems we have RS-232C communication cable systems. Okay. Then the machine control unit. Machine control unit. Machine control unit consists of, already we have discussed about machine control unit. It consists of data processing unit and the control loops unit. And this machine control unit performs a number of functions. They are used to read the coded instructions and also used to decode the instructions, and they are used to implement the interpolation. That is, interpolation means finding the intermediate points between the end point and the final point. There is a linear interpolation, circular interpolation, and helical interpolation. To feed the axis motion commands and to receive the feedback signals in a CNC systems, to receive the feedback signals, this machine control unit is used, and also to perform the auxiliary control functions such as coolant on and off, spindle on and off, tool change. For this several functions are used. In a CNC controls, the main difference between NC and CNC systems is, in the CNC system, in the NC system there is no feedback signal. No feedback signal is sent to the machine tool or the machine control unit. There is a machine control unit in the NC system, but no feedback signal is sent to the NC machine control unit in the CNC machine. Whereas in the CNC machine, the feedback signals, feedback regarding the position and the velocity have been sent to the machine control unit. The elements of NC tool operation, that is, the part drawings are converted into part programs and they are made into that is part program, and they are inputted through the manual data input to the controller, and they operate the gears. The main advantages of NC systems are the non-productive time is reduced, that is, loading and unloading time, tool changing time can be reduced, and the scrap cost is minimized, lower scrap cost, and greater accuracy and repeatability. Inspection, because inspection is carried out, the online inspections are carried out, inspection requirements are reduced, and they can be used to make more complex part geometries. That is, in CNC can be used for a variety of applications. That is, not only they can be used for CNC lathe, CNC milling or CNC drilling, it can be connected to any other systems. It can be connected to EDM, wire cut EDM, ECM, plasma arc machining, electron beam machining or laser cutting, or it can be connected to TIG welding or MIG welding or any other forming machines, or it can be connected to granite cutters, or it can be used in component placement machines in electronic assembly. That is just to place the components in a printed circuit board, or it can be used in 3D printing. 3D printing machines also it can be used. Then it can also be used for making the polymer composites like filament welding or filament welding, carbon fiber, Kevlar and glass fibers can be connected with this, using this NC machine. And in this the machine in the normal NC machines or in the ordinary machine tools, we are using the mechanical chucks. Okay, for example, a lathe, it consists of a headstock, a spindle and a chuck, and a lathe bed and a tailstock. Whereas in the NC machine, everything has been made very finer. That is instead of mechanical chucks, hydraulic and pneumatic chucks are available. Okay, a job setting in a mechanical chuck, for example, in a 4x4 chuck, take more time, whereas using a pneumatic or hydraulic chuck reduces the time to considerably less. Okay, they can be immediately, job can be set immediately in the machine spindle. Okay, so the time can be setting time of the operator can be reduced very much in this CNC and NC systems. And also one more thing, the lathe bed. Lathe bed is very fine in case of ordinary machine tools, and it's also very finer in case of normal machine tools. And everything is perfect. Okay, was this machine tools. Okay, and we can perform the common operations like turning, drilling, milling, and everything in the CNC machines. Okay, the main difference between NC machine and the CNC machines is the NC machine punched tape or magnetic recorder is used in NC machine, whereas in CNC machine we are using a computer console through which a manual data input can be given. Then in case of NC machine, as we are using the punched tape, the modification or editing in case of CNC machine is very less, whereas in case of computer, the modification or editing the part program is very easy. Then the operation parameters can be changed very easily in CNC machines. For example, spindle speed can be changed to S800 to S1000 very easily, whereas in case of NC machine it is not possible. Then memory storage is very less in case of NC machine, whereas memory storage is very high in case of CNC machines. CNC machine, the main modification of CNC machine is DNC, direct numerical control. The direct numerical control, there was a server in which we can store a lot of part programs, number of part programs in the DNC server, and whenever required we can collect the part program from the DNC server. So memory storage is very high in case of CNC machine. Then the running of the tape is running of the tape. We have to run in case of NC machine. we have to run the tape and we have to read the information. The time taken for such a process is very high. Whereas in case of CNC machine, very little time has been taken. And one more advantage of CNC machines is we can simulate the model. That is, we are giving some data and we can simulate that data in case of CNC machine. But in case of NC machine, it is not possible to simulate the picture on the CNC machine. Then NC machines are less costly, whereas CNC machines are more expensive. Then maintenance cost is very less in case of NC machine, whereas maintenance cost is more in case of CNC machine. Highly skilled operators are needed for NC machine, whereas semi-skilled operators will be enough for the NC machines. NC machines are less flexible, then CNC machines are more flexible. That is, when the product design changes, we can change it very easily. But in case of NC machine, it is not possible to change the product. Okay, these are the different processes in the NC machines. Then the CNC machines has additional features compared to the NC machines. That is, the CNC machine can store more than one part program. It is not possible in the NC machine. It can store more than one part program. And program editing is possible in case of CNC machine, whereas in NC machines, program editing is not possible. And in the CNC machines, fixed routines, subroutines, subprograms, and subroutines are used. That is, they are called canned cycles. Canned cycles and subroutines are possible in case of CNC machines. That is, subprograms or subroutines can be inbuilt into the controller. For example, canned drill cycle, that is G81 for canned drill cycle. When G81 command is given, the canned drill cycle is opened. So the fixed cycles are stored into the MCU. Whenever you can call by the G81 code, you can retrieve the cycle in case of CNC machine. It is not possible in case of NC machine. And the subroutines are called subprograms. The main program, there was a main program, and the subprogram is called a subroutine. That is, you can call a main program from the subprogram. We can call the subprogram from the main program using the given command. Then adaptive control is possible in case of CNC machine. Adaptive control means that is, whenever the force or a torque exceeds a particular level in the CNC machine, then the machine automatically stops. It is called adaptive control. It is possible in case of CNC machine. Then interpolation is also possible in case of CNC machines. And then interface is very common in case of interface is very easier in case of CNC machining. Then automatic functions of tool spindle. There is a turret in a CNC machine. That is, you can change the tool by the automatic control. Whereas in case of NC systems, we have to change the tool. Whereas in case of CNC systems, the tool can be changed automatically. Then we can change the feed, we can change the depth of cut. Everything can be possible with these machines. Okay, thank you.